Threw it down into the yard. And first there's the wisdom, and here we come with it. Oh, maybe not. Oh, it's mine, says the boy. And then we're off. Now we're waiting for us to see if we're going to bring it all the way up here. Bring it to me. Bring it to me. Where is it? Bring it here. Bring it here. Good. Oh, this is not a tug of war. Well, maybe it is. He's tenacious. Okay, good boy. Oscar, bring it here. Bring it here. Bring. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. You want to bring it to me? Oh, give it to me. Thank you. Okay, here it goes. We're going to toss it. Go get it! You got to go down the stairs. You have to go down the stairs. Go, Wisdom. Go, Wisdom. Go get it. Go get it. Go get the ball. Go get the ball. Go get it. Go get it. No, Wisdom. Wisdom. Go get the ball. Go get the ball. Go get the ball. Go get it. Go get it. Good girl. Get the ball, Wiz. Get the ball, Oscar. Now we're all peeing. And now I have to pee on it because she peed on it. There you go. He's such a boy. Now we have to strut a little. Then we're going to go and see Valerie. Or maybe not. And so we go see Valerie.